In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail automated responses. By the end, you'll know how to set up a simple out-of-office reply and how to send targeted automatic replies using templates and filters, all inside Gmail. First, let's cover the quickest option, the vacation responder. This is perfect when you're away and want everyone who emails you to get an automatic message. Open Gmail in your browser and click the settings gear in the top right, then choose See All Settings. In the General tab, scroll until you find Vacation Responder. Turn it on, set your start date and, if you know it, an end date. Add a clear subject like Out of Office, and write the message people should receive while you're away. If you'd prefer to keep it limited, you can choose to only send it to people in your contacts. When you're ready, scroll down and save changes. Gmail will automatically send your reply once per person every few days to prevent clutter, and you'll see a banner reminding you it's on. When you're back, turn it off from that banner or the same settings area. Now, if you want more control like sending a specific response only to certain emails, you can use templates with filters. In Settings, go to the Advanced tab and enable templates, then save changes. Next, click Compose and write the reply you want to automate. Keep it concise and helpful, and avoid including private information. Click the three dots in the Compose window, choose Templates, then Save Draft as Template, and save it as a new template. To have Gmail send that template automatically, set up a filter. Click the search options icon in the search bar, fill in the criteria that should trigger your reply, maybe a specific subject line or a sender domain, then click Create Filter. Choose Send Template and select the one you saved. You can also add options like skipping the inbox or applying a label to keep things organized. Create the filter, and Gmail will send that template reply whenever new messages match your criteria. It's a good idea to test it by sending yourself a message that fits the filter to make sure everything behaves as expected. A few tips before we wrap up: update or disable filters when they're no longer needed so people don't get outdated replies. For the vacation responder, keep the message friendly and informative, and remember to turn it off when you return. And if you use templates, revisit them periodically to ensure they're still accurate. Thanks for watching and subscribing to this channel for more videos like these.